Alright, so I am incredibly behind today, like 2 hours behind, but we're still gonna make it happen. Let's get a cold start. Woo!
Mustangs at this place for this one. I don't know. We're gonna find out if I get kicked out or not. That'd be pretty interesting. That'd be a video in itself. If I get kicked out this shit, just driving a Mustang.
Traffic lights, turn right into the car park.
That'd be pretty interesting, but we'll see. Me pulling up in my dirty ass car. start the shootout at. Holy shit. Ooh, they got more police presence here today. A Lambo. Yeah, that thing's pretty dope. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna be smart about it and turn at this light so I can bypass that loop-de-loop. Look at this guy trying to sell parking for 10 bucks. What a fucking rip-off. Even though I don't really think there will be, because we are mighty late, but we'll hope for the best. You guys can tell, either they washed this whole parking lot area, or it was downpouring yesterday and I didn't even realize it. Did it rain last night? Sure as hell looks like it did. Nice RT right there. Camaro with the high ram. I need to get me a Chevy car soon. Get me a C5Z. Impossible to get parking. Oh, we got GT350 right there. I'm actually really glad I didn't even take the 350 out. It's all wet back here. It would have got dirty as soon as I took it out. Plus, I don't like taking my 350 downtown at all. There's just too many dumbass drivers out here in Houston. People in a rush for no reason. Nice C7. That thing is clean as fuck. There's C6. That M4, I think it's an M4. That M4 is cold. Oh, we might have looked. Oh, it's handicap. I think, right? Oh yeah, dude, I can't park there. That'd be fucked up. I ain't doing that. I don't got the. Damn! That thing is nice. I don't got the scumbag in me to park in a handicap spot. That's just not even cool if I was to do that. If I was to do that, drop a disc like on the vid. Yeah, this is not gonna happen. Oh. Pretty badass right there. dope. 325e. You gotta appreciate the older BMWs because even though they're older, they're like timeless. The interiors are always nice. Ah, damn. The interior is nicer than my Shelby, no cap. This is probably the most modified Stinger I've seen body-wise. Yeah, M4 comp. F82. These things grew on me like crazy. This thing grew on me like the Supers because I didn't really like them when they first came out, but they grew on me like crazy. These things are fast as fuck too. And M4. I feel like this front bumper better, but this thing's growing me like crazy. Got a V.
There were promises to the coffee.
It's pretty badass. CTSV on the tire. C7 Grand Sport, 7-speed car, right? Yep. Badass. Good old C7.
Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I really like that.
TTRS. Not sleep on the TTRSs. Puppet's got a hog ass cannon back there. Whew. Upgraded turbo. Yeah, he's on a tire too. Dope. Upgraded turbo. ET Street R. I've seen this car multiple times. Yeah, he's on dumps. I love that color. Same with this one. Man. different seats. Those buckets are crazy though.
This is my favorite color, and I was able to get this. I had a pink color, and when they offered me this allocation, I was like, great, you need to get it through. Got it.
And it's so hard because like there's not many people that like you said, the people on one end they can't afford it. It's all like 12-year-olds really don't have cars.
720S.
So the very take.
The seats in these 720Ss, man. Yeah. Seven 675 LT. Can't even tell the difference between the two, honestly. It's funny because every time I see a 720S, I think it's a 675 LT. Whenever I see a 675 LT, I think it's a 720S. They look badass. I'll take either. Okay, so this is a different front bumper. But it's still kind of hard to tell. I don't know. Both look dope. So we're out of here. Heat was pretty cool, but it looks like it's about to start to downpour, so we about to go ahead and get out of here before that does happen, because ain't nobody trying to get caught in the rain. Let's get out of here. Wonder which way we're gonna go. Which way does this guy want to go? Oh, he's going this way. Probably better to go this way, to be honest with you. I would, but I'm starting to bitch out there about revving for some reason. cops out here. I'm not revving. see this shit? Like, I ain't even revving the car. I'm trying to move the car. Like, I'm not even trying to rev the car. I'm literally, the car's bucking as I'm trying to move the car because of the cam and the lower RPM. I'd be saying, man, like I said, that's why I didn't rev the car, because people are starting to complain out here. But little do they know, with this little hog cam on this thing, it's hard as hell to move it without it going without riding the clutch. Man, they got the cops and everything out here now. Oh, it's about to start raining. Woo, it's getting windy.
Follow you on YouTube, bro.
Hey, thank you, bro.
I love the car.
Thank you.
How much horsepower are you pushing?
About 6, I think. It's about to start raining, man. Hope I do not get caught in this. My left turn signal relay does not come into Tuesday, and there's cops all up and down this road. Mustang coming in hot right now. And just like that, it is raining. Oh my God, I knew it was gonna rain, man. I am so happy I did not take the Shelby out. Whew! I made the right call this morning. I knew it was gonna rain. That's Houston for you. Man, I left just in time. Oh, buddy. The only problem is I'm in the wrong lane now. I gotta get over. And I'm happy I didn't go ahead and wash the car either. That would have been a complete waste of time. So I made, I guess I made 2 smart calls. Sleeping in, doing a ghetto wash with just a microfiber. The paint's already terrible, so who cares? And I didn't take the Shelby out. Because it is raining now, so that was a huge W. Huge W. Now, as far as wheels go on this car, I kind of want to keep that sleeper OG look. Now, when I first bought the car, again, this was supposed to be like a daily driver slash, street car, race car, which it is, and I want to keep it like that. People have told me that like this car is technically like a sleeper because like pulling up to like a roll night or pulling up, to like a, a race event, whatever, people don't necessarily expect this, especially because it's a 2-valve, to do much of anything until they race it and they find out, hey, the car's actually pushing some P. I kind of want to keep that. Now, I'm not going to put S71s on here like I did with the white car because I feel like that will just completely kill like the sleeper OG vibe. I kind of want to put either Weld Pro Stars, 4-star F14s, or, and this would be hilarious, some like SVE/race stars on here, because you can't tell me a 2-valve on race stars, it just screams like 350 horsepower. So like I just feel like it would be hilarious, pulling up to like a roll meet, in something like this, with race stars on it. A fucked hood, even though the hood's gonna get replaced though, and fenders that don't match, rear bumper pads that don't match on race stars, and this thing is making like 600 horsepower. I think that'd be hilarious. I kind of want to go with that, and on top of that, the brakes as well with some like TBMs. Imagine like how hilarious that would be. I just feel like it'd be hilarious sleeper build. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think, man. Race Stars, F14s, or the Pro Stars, because I feel like those are all sleeper. Realistically, the Race Stars, 15s all the way around, they're pretty damn light, and the car will run exactly how I want it to run with those wheels. I know for a fact, especially if I did brakes. I think the car will do what I want it to run with just the seat that I'm gonna put in the car. I'm not getting a Kirky, I'm getting a different type of seat, and just the Race Stars, and obviously the new clutch, without even turning up the boost, because I don't want to turn up the boost yet until I actually run it with the drag pack and the new seat. I think it will run what I want it to run, and then, you know, I'm fucking chilling, honestly. I'm really chilling. For what this car is, for the quote-unquote weight class that it's in, this will literally be like a top-tier car, and that would be amazing. A 2-valve, top-tier car for like the bracket, quote-unquote street bracket it's in. It would be amazing, because right now this car is like in the 600 to 800 bracket realistically, from when I, you know, street tested it and kind of, you know, went out and raced. If I just did those couple changes, this thing would be, it would be flying. So if you guys enjoy, drop a like I said, subscribe to the channel, touch notifications, keep you guys up to date, man. And next couple of weeks we'll have some things done with the car, and you know, we'll go out and test it again. So yeah, deuces.